By 2040, the agency aims to be recognized globally as an exceptional organization capable of delivering compassionate and secure custody, as well as opportunities for the personal growth of persons deprived of liberty. What is the BGMP mission? The primary objective is to ensure the safety and well-being of person deprived of liberty or PDL, while also providing opportunities for 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 their personal growth, all while promoting public 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 safety.